Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Sonic SVM token. Now this token is being listed tomorrow, January 7th, on a very big central exchange. Ticker symbol is Sonic, and we're going to go over the information on this token, talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So they do have a full white paper, and this token here has a Telegram, Twitter. You can find them on Solscan. They have their website, sonic.game. There's a total supply of 2,400,000,000 tokens. It says Sonic is the first SVM network extension to launch on Solana for games and applications, pioneering Web3 TikTok app layer, onboarding the next billion users, built with Sonic Hypergrid, a framework for orchestrating optimistic Solana rollups. This token here was just announced will be listed tomorrow, January 7th at 12 o'clock UTC time on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you are looking to get this token here and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Sonic, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So, you can find them on Solscan. It says there is 9 decimal places on this token here. If you're looking for the charts, the price, and all the statistical information, you can find the token on Dex Tools, Dex Screener, Bird Eye, Gecko Terminal, Bubble Maps, Photon. They have a rug check, and all those are linked on their Solscan. So check all that out. They have a very lengthy GitHub document section PDF that you could check out as well. And this token, their webpage, like I mentioned earlier, is sonic.game. And you can actually just click on docs too, and that will take you over to docs.sonic.game. And that one's a little more concise than the giant white paper. So if you want to, find out what this project is all about, check out the document section. So Sonic is the first atomic SVM chain built to enable sovereign game economies on Solana. Sonic enables sovereign game economies that roll up and settle on Solana. Sonic is built on top of the first concurrent scaling framework for Solana called Hypergrid, and they go over Hypergrid a lot in the white paper if you want to check that out. So Hypergrid is designed to introduce customizability and scale while remaining natively composable to Solana. Sonic was built to unlock new experiences for both builders and players. We've designed Sonic to be the brewing ground for a world of high-performance, decentralized gaming, creating a distinction from the traditional trading experience of in-game assets. So why would you choose Sonic? For the lightning speeds and the low cost. So Sonic offers a really fast on-chain game experience amongst all gaming L1s powered by SVM. Atomic interoperability execute transactions on Sonic without redeploying your Solana programs and accounts, benefit directly from Solana's base layer services and liquidity. Writes for EVM execute on SVM. Seamlessly deploy dApps for EVM chains to Solana via Hypergrid's interpreter. They have composable gaming primitives and sandbox environments. So Sonic exposes native composable gaming primitives and extensible data types based on the ECS framework on chain. And this, the game engine sandbox utilizes utilities to developers for building their business logic on chain. And they also have monetization infrastructure. So Sonic is natively enabled for growth, traffic, payment, and settlement infrastructure for games. Now, for developers, they have a getting started guide. Dive into the Sonic to start building and set up your tooling. If you're interested in that, you can set up your local environment, build and deploy your first Sonic program. And they have info on that. They have audit reports. It says they're hiring, if you're interested in that as well. They have the developer community. So if we check out their DEX screener chart, let's see if this token has any pools yet available. So no, it doesn't have a pool yet. So according to their Soul Scan, it says 25 holders. So it doesn't look like it is available yet anywhere. We'll have to wait for the Mexc listing, and when that happens, I'm sure they'll get other listings as well. Experience gaming at the speed of light. Sonic enables sovereign game economies that roll up to Solana. Built with customized VM agnostic game engines and Hypergrid interpreter. So they have the gaming partners build on Sonic. Join the Sonic Accelerate button on their webpage. Build on Sonic ecosystems partners join the Spin program. Our vision, unlocking new experience for both builders and players. They have all sorts of cool little characters and NFT looking things on their page that you could check out. Hypergrid is Solana's state-of-the-art Layer 2 parallel processing framework designed to introduce customizability at scale while being natively composable on Solana. So far they have over 2.4 million unique active wallets, over 4,007 million total transaction counts, 20 plus gaming NFT smart contracts, over 746,000 daily active wallets, and over 725,000 community members. So it's a huge project. Go check it out. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.